Now let's see this question under what latent what heat. It says, calculate the heat required to convert 4 kg of ice at 0 degrees C to water at the same water temperature. Take specific latent heat of fusion of ice as 335,000 joules per kilogram. Now, for a question like this, we to convert 4 kg of ice at what 0 to water at the same water temperature. Now, for a question like this, there's a graph we normally use. Here's where you have what ice at what 0, this point, and here's what water at what 0. So the formula for this point, since there's no change in temperature, we have what ml. So the heat required H equals what M what L, and that will be the mass. The mass is 4 times 335,000. That will give us, when you multiply 1,340,000 watt joules. That is the answer. It is very, very what easy. We have a full series on this one, okay, where I taught everything about latent heat from part 1 and part 2, okay. So you can actually check up that from our YouTube channel, which is the Physics Load What 1. Now that you've learned this, ensure you like, share, and follow us for more tips.